Welcome back, y'all, with Lani and
AJ
and
Titi.
Say Titi. Titi. Today we are here with an unboxing video brought to us by Intentional Teaching Service. So be sure to follow the company on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. So here's what we got from Intentional. So this is what we got from Intentional. So this is what we got from Intentional Teaching Services. This is Learning Maths Word Family. So this is, of course, Scholastics. And this will help AJ better reading and writing. So, you ready to open it?
Yeah.
This is very good with cognitive development, literacy development. All these help with remembering the phonics, especially the phonics. So you have that. Like for example, it has the IG next to the ig. So if you put the P in front of it, it makes pig. Put the J in front of it, it makes jig. So this is very important for AJ. And we had announced our giveaway winner. So I'm thinking about maybe doing another giveaway, but no time soon. So I'm on the rocks on that. So it's been a long time, you guys. So how has everything been for 2021? Please leave your comments below on what's your New Year's resolution or what you're trying to complete that you started in 2020. What's your new goal, especially for your children? What's your goals for your children this year? What is something new that you would like to implement in your children's life? Just leave a comment below or send us a video of us. Or send a video, just send a video of your child reading a book or something that, AJ's been doing on his channel, anything that shows about reading, even dancing. That's something accomplished. That's a physical skill. Dancing is very good, so please send it. So, you ready to open it? AJ, finish unwrapping it. Let me see. You open it on the bottom right here. Of course, we got Miss Titi over here doing all the heavy work. And why are you shaking your head like that for? Like you look at something high and heavy. Okay, it opens up. We have instructions. This is one of the mats. So it says use letter. Yes, it says use letter tiles to make and words. Write the words. So Titi, she's like showing you. Okay, you gotta turn it the other way. So AJ's showing you now. Okay, yep, that's the instructions. And this is how it will look. You see it has the SP, and then you put in, spin.
I will read someone of this. This make Titi.
They just took over. So yes, and this look, and this is add. So you put the S, add makes sad. You could put the D makes d, add dad. This is very good, and it gives space on the bottom for the child to write. They just want to show everything. So thank you for watching, and thank you for just being so supportive of us. And also, we would like to thank Miss Victor Cameron, who owns Intentional Teaching Services. for this wonderful, wonderful gift. She always gives good gift. And also the books that AJ been reading, the Bob book. I'm gonna show you right here, Bob book. She actually gave that to him, but that was, you know, just personal, a gift. But this is from Intentional Teaching. And also, before I leave, it comes up with these cut out letters, already printed, cut out, and a dry eraser marker. Like Titi's, she's just going through with everything. It comes up with a nice size for a child. Oh, AJ, let's not take it out. So this is really good. See, AJ just like easily poked it out. And this is blank. Well, this is an F, lowercase f. It has like the ch, cl, cr. That's nice. Oh, and also this is one of the things that I wanted to teach AJ. If I and R, E and R, all of them makes a rough sound. I will put it somewhere in the videos. I'm probably getting it wrong, but I will be teaching him those. Hold on. It's just like not focused. Those the R is so controlling. It makes a rough sound no matter what. Like fern, some other words. I'll put it somewhere in this video or probably in the description box. But we're working on that too. So this is really good that she gave us. And also, oh, Titi found another one. AJ, do not poke them out. AJ just poking them out. So probably get a little bag and put this in. So let me not just, you know, continue with this video. So that's basically what it is. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to see more content, just leave it down below in the comment section or just DM us on Instagram to see what you would like to see, because now AJ, he's more pushing into learning how to read, write, and do like more stuff for grade school. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. AJ, he's like learning more on first grade level. So if you would like to see a lesson plan and your child is you know, not doing so well in a subject, just let me know so I can see what I can do, so I can, you know, bring it down so you can be able to teach your child. It's nothing, but if not, I will continue to show these where, you know, the milestones where AJ is at. So bye, LA friends.